Cool old trick. But I've done this with a lot of my other labs, so I haven't got to work with this lab yet, because last year when we got him, I thought I was going to prison, so I didn't work with him, so we're going to work with him now. But cool old redneck trick. These one, it keeps the duck wings on, or dove wings, or whatever kind of upland game bird wings, but the most important part is these stick out. So a lot of labs have problems learning how to not bite. When they grab this, it won't like hurt them bad or nothing. They'll just, they'll learn not to grab it hard. So cool little redneck trick. We're gonna go work with Timber real quick, and just wanted to show you guys an awesome trick to learn your dogs not to pinch down really hard on the birds, man. It's a cool, awesome old trick. So yeah, what is that? There's nails in it, dipshit. Yeah, there's nails, huh? Yeah, you don't like that, do you? Alright, hold on. Stay. Get a bird. Bring it. Bring me. Come here. Come here, piece of shit. Stay. Stay. Get a bird. Come on, bring it. Come here. Bring me the bird. Come here.